All right, one more day with the F-150 spark plugs being replaced. So far, I mean, I feel like the engine a little bit stronger, but it's still misfiring super bad. Just when I crank the motor, it's okay, but for some reason it's just on the idle. I can tell that I feel the vibration, and it's still cylinder number 7 that is misfiring. As I said, I mean, the spark plug's been replaced. The one that we had is like the Alta Light, and now is the Motorcraft, the original ones. I took the truck to the dealership to replace all the spark plugs, the 8 spark plugs. And one thing that I just did by myself. I also changed the coil from the cylinder number 7. I put the original one, and it's still misfiring. I'm also checked the noid light with the noid light. Actually, I can show you real quick. Came over here and I checked the injectors and the wires with the coil, and also for the injector. And I bought like these noid light because like the mechanics charge like $150 just to evaluate what could be wrong, just to do this test. And to be honest, I mean, the tool cost like $20. So I just bought it and tested, and the lights are flashing. For those that are not familiar what is the noid light is, I can show you real quick. So there's the noid light. You can use this one. You just put this on the wire for the coil and the injector. Then if the light's flashing, everything's good. If the light's not flashing, so probably like something on the wires to the PCM on the car, on the truck, and it's a different issue. So on mine actually is flashing. So now we eliminate a lot of things. I mean, what it could be, or the potential issue. So for me, what makes sense as the next step maybe is to replace the injectors, and then what I don't want to do is check like for the low compression. So let's see if I can buy a new injectors for this truck and I'll try to do it by myself, or take someone to do it. Let's see how it works. But as I said, I mean, all the mechanics to do like the simple diagnostic on the truck, they charge me like a lot of money, and honestly I don't know how much it's gonna cost to replace like the injectors in this truck, right? That's it. See ya. Thank you.